Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the most important concept in JavaScript, that is pop-up boxes. In JavaScript, we have mainly three types of pop-up boxes. First one is alert box, second one confirm box, third one prompt box. First, you are moving to alert box. What is mean by alert box? Suppose if user executes some code, it displays some alert message. Some alert message means simply if you want to make sure that is compulsory information comes to the user, then we are using alert box. Remember, whenever alert box appear, user needs to click OK to proceed. Otherwise, it is not possible to proceed. Simply the page struck on. If you click on OK, the next two thing is happened. Now, I will give one example of how to use alert box. Simply open an HTML file. Here you are writing the script either in the head section or body section. That is your wish. Anyway, I will write script. How do you write? Simply by using alert. Here you can write any message. Please click on it. You can write any message. Save, copy the path. Okay, go to any web browser. See, an alert to message is available. Whatever the message you written, that is displayed. Please click on it. If you click on OK, then only it is possible to proceed. Now, how sir? Suppose here I am writing one statement. Document dot write off hello. Now observe. After click on alert, then only hello is displayed. Save. Now observe, hello is not at all displayed. If you click on OK, the next two statements are executed. Clear? That is alert to message. Now, what I am doing here, I will write down one more alert. Sorry, I will write down one more alert. Alert, some welcome. Now, alert, some good. Like this, I written three alert statements. How those are executed? Save. First one alert box is open. If you click on, next to another alert box is open. If you click OK, next to alert box is open. If you click OK, then hello is displayed. Please check. First alert box, okay. Second alert box, okay. Third alert box, good. Now the document. Now, my next thing is, instead of writing multiple alert statements, if you want to write multiple lines in a single alert, what is your aim? You need to write multiple lines of text in a single alert box. How? How? Previously we have the BR tag. BR purpose is break tag. But remember, the break tag is not used in the alert. Why? The alert is belongs to window object. Sir, what is this one? Now here, instead of alert, you can write this window dot alert. Save, execute. First click, second click, third click, executed or not. Now alert belongs to window object. BR belongs to HTML and this write belongs to document object. So only document object can use HTML tags. The window object, it is not possible to use HTML tag. Then how? By using escape characters. You know the meaning of escape characters? Slash. Whatever the thing that is followed by slash, that is interpreted. Suppose slash n automatically moves to the new line. Slash T, tab space, slash B, backspace, slash F form feed. Exactly, you can apply the slash. See this one? Please click on it. Slash N, welcome. Slash N, good. I am removing all this. Now observe. Here, the single alert consists of three lines of text. This is first line, second line, and the third line. Refresh. Now observe three lines of text. Okay, my hello is displayed. Clear? Not only slash n, you can use the remaining thing also. Suppose backslash t. What happened? It gives tab space. Refresh. See, it gives tab space like this. You can apply the remaining also. Remaining also. Clear? This is alert box. This is alert box. Now we are moving into the next one. Confirm box. Move to the next one. Confirm box. Remember, in the alert box, some message is displayed. If you click OK, then only you can proceed. But the confirm box purpose is for verification purpose. Here you have two options are visible, OK or cancel. If you click on OK, you means user. If the user clicks on OK, this confirm box returns true. If you click on cancel, this confirm box return false. Okay. Now we will check practically. Instead of remove confirm, click OK or cancel just for my understanding. Now save, execute. Two options are available. You can click anything. OK. Hello is displayed. Refresh. Cancel. Hello is displayed. Sir, if OK, hello is displayed. Cancel, hello is displayed. Exactly. Remember, this document.write does not depends on this one. Whether you click on OK or cancel, returns either true or false. Suppose, for your understanding, I written like this, where A is equal to, now A. Now observe, A can store a value. This returns true or false. Document dot write of A, the output is, if you click on OK, the output is true. If you click on cancel, the output is false. Refresh, OK. Now true. Refresh. If you cancel, the output is false. Now here you are using the statement like this. If A equal to true, if the value true, then you are printing the statement. Suppose else, I am doing some document dot write off not okay. Some many messages not okay. Here I am printing okay. Now, if you click on OK, this is executed. If you click on cancel, the else block is executed. Refresh. Okay. See, A equal to true. Document dot write off. Sorry, here the thing is this. You need to write in quotations. Forgot to write. Okay. Refresh. See, OK is displayed. Refresh. Else block not OK is displayed. Clear? This is confirm box. This is confirm box. Now move to the next type of box, that is prompt box. Prompt box. Here, what is the use of this prompt box? Suppose if the user wants to give some input value before entering into the page, simply like scanf in C language, you are using prompt. Input of function is there in Python for reading the input from the user. So this prompt box is also used for reading the input from the user. Whenever the prompt box appear, user have two options, either OK or cancel. If you click on OK, user is allowed to enter some value and the box returns the value. If you click on cancel, the box returns the value. What is the syntax? Prompt, you are writing some text followed by some value. I will show you practically. Now, remove all this code. Here, what I am doing, by removing all this code, write the script tag. The script is available. Suppose somewhere A is equal to prompt of enter a value, some text. If you want to display some message, that message, the value 10. The value 10. Now what I am doing, just I am printing the value. Document dot write of A. Save. See, where A is equal to prompt of, A is equal, spelling mistake, PROMPT, prompt. Now see, enter a value. Here, the default value is given. If you click on OK, the value is assigned to OK. Now, refresh. Suppose here I am changing the value. Now, assigned 20. Remember, if you want, you can give the default value. Suppose here I am doing some operation. Sir, I doesn't want default. Ignore. Addition of two numbers. where some b is equal to prompt of enter b value, enter b value. Now what I am doing, where some c is equal to a plus b, I am doing addition and print the message. How the addition is, you can print the message plus c, save. Now observe carefully, the most important here, I given a value is equal to 5, b value is equal to 6. According to our expectation, 5 plus 6, 11 is the answer. But what is the output? 5 6 56. Click on OK. What is the meaning? If you understand the concept of string, so by default, the prompt takes the value in the form of strings only. You got my point? Now, plus acts as concatenation. A is one string, B is another string. Clear? By default, prompts take string. Remember in Python also, by default, input function, input takes the information in the form of string. By using int of, we are converted into integer. Similarly, here, how do you convert? By using parse int of a. We are converting string A into integer. Parse int of B. String B into integer. Now execute. 5 plus 6. Suppose I given 5. Click on OK. Given 6. Click on OK. Now the addition is 11. The addition is 11. You got it? That is the prompt. User takes the value. User takes the value. Now go to the slide. By default strings, you need to use parse it for conversion. Now clear? What we discussed, three types of boxes. Alert, simply display OK message. Confirm, OK or cancel. Prompt also OK or cancel. This is used for reading input from the user before entering into the web page. This is the concept of pop-up boxes. Thank you.